Children, in our daily life, there are so many people who help us, who make our lives comfortable and happy. Many people help us in many ways. Let us see who are they. The first one is a farmer. He works very hard to provide us food. He works in a hot sun, in a rainy day to provide us food. He uses plow, sickle, spade, like such tools for cultivation of crops. So always respect the farmers. The next one is vegetable vendor. He sells vegetables for us, fresh vegetables in the market. And the next person is fruit seller who sells fruits.
He counts the fruits in the dozens, or he will weigh in a weighing machine and gives the fruits. Fruits are good for our health. You all know that. So all of you eat more number of fresh fruits. So in this way, the fruit seller helps us to keep ourselves healthy. The next one is the garbage collector, who collects the garbage or dust near our houses. He comes to our doorsteps and collects the garbage in a tractor or in a van or on a bicycle or rickshaw. Children, a garbage collector is helping you to clean your surroundings, to make your surroundings clean. You know what happens if the surroundings are not clean? There will be flies, mosquitoes and other things through which you will get the different types of diseases. So garbage collector is also our helper who keeps our surroundings neat and clean. When he comes to our doorsteps to collect the dust, take the dust and put it in the tractor or the van or the auto which comes for collecting the dust. So if the dust is accumulated near our houses, flies, mosquitoes all will be coming, and those will cause us vomitings, headache and some diseases also. So in this way, the garbage collectors are our helpers. They use gumboots, gloves and all for collecting the dust. So never look down the garbage collector. He is also a great helper to us. The next one is the milkman. The milkman brings milk to our doorsteps early in the morning. Sometimes he comes in the evening also. You all know how good milk is for our health. It makes us to grow and it makes our bones strong. Especially little children like you and older people like your grandmother or grandfather must drink milk to keep them strong. So children, milk will be available from the milkman, or some will get the packets from the dairy also. Dairy is where the milk is available in the form of packets, and that person will come and drop the milk packet in our baskets in the morning. And children, see how great they are. They come to our house and give the milk for us. So this person, that is the milkman, is also a helper who uses a milk can and a measuring cup or can to measure the milk. It will be in the form of liters, half liter, 2 liters, like that. So you must boil the milk and drink it to make yourself strong. And the next helper is the shopkeeper or the grocer, where you get your daily usable items like pulses, grains, biscuits, chocolates and etc.
Next one is the servant maid, who helps your mother to do many works in in the house, like mopping floor, cleaning the vessels, washing clothes, etc. And next one is engineer. An engineer makes plans for the buildings, bridges and roads, etc. The next one is the mason, who builds houses for us, who makes our life comfortable to live in the house. And the next one is the carpenter. The carpenter makes doors, windows, tables, furniture, etc. And he uses hammer, nails, saw, etc. as tools. The next one is the cobbler, who mends our shoes, who repairs our shoes when they are torn or anything happens to the chappal, etc. The next one is the postman, who delivers letters to our doorstep. He uses a letter bag and he brings letters from the post box. Next is a policewoman, who catches the people who do wrong things, and she uses a whistle, stick and other things for catching the thieves. Next is the traffic policeman, who controls the traffic on busy roads. He uses traffic signals and stop placard for controlling the traffic on the roads. Next is the fireman, who puts off the fire when houses or any garden is on fire. He uses water, pipes, fire engine for putting off the fire. Next person is the tailor, who stitches dresses for us, beautiful dresses, and she uses needle, thread, scissors, button, etc. for stitching the dresses. The next one is the doctor, who treats sick people and who uses thermometer, stethoscope, BP apparatus, injection, etc. for treating the people. The next person is the nurse, who assists the doctor for giving medicines or dressing the hurt people and making them a better person. The next one is the teacher, who helps you to learn and read, write and learn good habits and make you a good citizen in the future. So the next one is the soldier, who guards our country in the borders, who protects our country and safeguards our lives in the borders of our country, that is India. So we must salute them. So all these helpers, we should thank them. Join your hands and say thank you to them, because they make our life comfortable and safe to live in.
Have seen the helpers and the tools used and how they are helping us. We can't imagine our life without them. So each one of them make a important role in our daily life. So always see that you respect them, whether it is a garbage collector or a nurse or a sweeper or a postman, whoever it is, we should respect each one of them. Okay, no one is great or less. So you must respect them. Okay, children. Now we are going to complete our workbook, page number 25, where we have the topic are helpers. So here what you are going to do is, children, your teacher uses a pen and the postman carries a bag full of letters. So let's color these tools that belong to the following helpers. That means you have helpers here and the tools used by them. So for every helper, 3 tools are given, and out of those 3 tools, only 2 tools are used by that helper and 1 is not used by that helper. So you must color the tools which are used by that particular helper. Okay, for example, teacher. Teacher uses a pen, chalk piece, board, duster, right? So those belong to a teacher. That is, the teacher uses those tools. So in the same manner, you have to color, identify and color the tools used by that particular helper. Now when you come here, there is a policeman here. Okay, so the policeman uses, so actually we have 3 things there, a stick, teddy bear and a whistle. So you all know, policeman uses a stick to catch the thieves and he uses a whistle. Does he use a teddy bear? No. You people, children play with the teddy bear. Okay, it is a toy for you. So you are going to color the stick, color the whistle, not the teddy bear. Okay, children. Now let us move to the next person. Did you identify? Yes, he is cutting some wood and he has some pencil here near the ear, over the ear. Now let us see what tools are given. Thread and needle is given, a hammer is given and an axle is given. Okay, rampam, it is called rampam, to cut the wood. So he is a carpenter who makes beds, doors, windows, chairs, tables. So what tools he is going to use? He is going to use a hammer, yes, to prick the nails and మేకులు కొట్టడానికి వాడతాడు. Okay, and the next one for cutting the wood. The thread and needle is not used by him. So you are going to color the hammer and color the axle. Okay, now let us move to the next person. Yes, I think you will identify him. Yes, he is a barber. Cutting, you go for haircut, no? When your hair grows, you will go to barber. Okay, or saloon. So let us see what tools are given. Scissors, comb and a teddy bear is given. So the tools used by the barber are scissors and comb. Okay, so you are going to color the scissors and comb. Okay, not the teddy bear. Now the last person is a doctor. So what tools are used by the doctor? 3 things are given: comb, stethoscope and thermometer. Okay, so stethoscope and thermometer are used by the doctor, not the comb. Okay, so you are going to color stethoscope and the comb. Okay, children. So this is the exercise you are going to complete in page number 25.